Hi, you're watching iSmooth's Google Nexus 5 Ultra Clear Screen Protector installation video. We're going to open up these screen protectors and see what we get inside. As always, it's going to be a 3-pack. We're only going to need one for this installation video. I'm going to put the other ones back inside the pack for later use. Other things you're going to get is installation card. It'll just give you the same tips I'm giving you right now. You're going to get a very large microfiber cleaning cloth. Fits about the size of your device. This will come in handy as well. 4 dust removal stickers. I'm going to be using those. And how to write Amazon reviews. Alright, let's get started. To begin with, you always want to make sure you're in a very well lit room like we have right now, working on a very clean surface. This will prevent any dust from getting in there, and you'll be able to identify any that might have. Another tip is make sure your phone's off, so you're able to identify dust, and if you're at all able to, do it in a bathroom or anywhere there's some running hot water. Creates moisture in the air, and dust hates this and won't find its way into your protector. Next up, we're going to make sure we clean off our device. We're going to make sure the screen is very clear and clean of any dust, debris, fingerprints, or anything else that we're not going to want to see once we have a screen protector on. This will make your life a lot easier later on in the installation. Okay. Next up, you're going to want to make sure you size up your device. You're going to measure where you want it, practice placing it. Notice the edges. With the Nexus 5, it takes up quite a bit of the surface area, so you want to make sure that you line it correct on the installation, otherwise it will lift on the edges and will bug you later on. Okay. Once you decide that you know where you want it, go ahead and peel back tab 1. This is the adhesive side that's going to stick to your phone. This residue will not stay on your phone after you ever decide to take off your screen protector, so do not worry about that. I want to make sure I line back the bottom from where I'm installing. I'm going to place the top down rather slowly and gently to make sure that I get it exactly where I want it. Take your time. If you rush through this, it may be done incorrectly and you'll have to do it over again, and nobody wants to do that. Okay, once I've decided I've got it where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and start peeling back some more. Again, just taking note to exactly where it's aligned on the edges, and continue watching that as I'm peeling. Okay, feel free to lift if it's not exactly where you wanted it. Good. All right, I'm keeping my hand up top, holding it in place. I'm peeling back the rest of it. Be careful not to pull too hard on the sides, otherwise it might move your screen protector a little bit, and you'll have to replace it down. Okay. Good. Now I do see some dust in there. You can identify this because there's a dot inside the circle of air. The rest of you can just push right out. I'm doing this with my thumb, but other times it can be a little more difficult. Just press it out with the microfiber cleaning cloth. It's better than using any kind of card or anything along those lines because you have more control over what you're doing. Okay. All right, make sure you press it down before you peel off tab 2 because you don't want to peel up the screen protector underneath. And then once you're ready, go ahead and peel back very sharply so you do not take off the screen protector itself. Do it slowly, carefully, good. Okay. I'm going to smooth out any other bubbles so don't peel it up when I'm installing it. Alright, I've got dust there and there. And now these dust removal stickers are going to come in handy. I'm going to take 2. I'm going to put one right in the corner closest to the dust. And I'm going to take the other one. I'm going to use this to dab onto the screen protector and the device's screen itself to remove the dust underneath. I'm going to peel back very gently. I don't want to create too many more air bubbles because we're going to have to take them out later. I'm going to dab it on both, like I said. Okay. Good. Push out the air. Now I'm going to dab out the rest of the dust right here. Just press down. Bang as a protector. That should do the trick. Okay. Good. All right. Now that is a very clear, perfect installation. Thank you for watching our installation video. We'll see you after your next device upgrade.